Day 46 as we do begin week 10. Unsurprisingly, no doubt, not going to be any new signals tonight. Euro-CAD's one we're going to be keeping an eye on. If we see another push by about 1% or so, get above this area, it's about 48 periods back, could definitely see a lower high on this right here. Got to move fast though, equally might get one to this point. That is 5 periods back, so that would qualify. Just give us a big push. Otherwise, also checking out the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Maybe if that can get on a rise, get above this area. You've got potential for divergence, a lower high. But yeah, otherwise, nothing really for us. Hopefully something appears sooner rather than later. Either way, we'll keep with it. Day number 47. And after all the talk of trying to be as patient as possible, I think we are just going to go in here on the Euro-Canadian dollar. If we don't now, we are going to lose it. You can see ever so slightly at a lower high compared to back here. It's even gone to a higher high today compared to all the way this one here. So no divergence against that price beneath that level. We are just sort of jumping in there from 6 periods back, basically just so we can take some sort of signal here. Got to test these somehow. So let's go in with 0.16 standard lots. Let's get in there with these trades. Nice stuff. Hopefully, of course, going to get a winner. Let's plug that 1 and 1 in for the take profit, stop loss on subtrade A. And of course 3 times ATF for the take profit on subtrade B. Right down by the average. What a treat it would be if we could get there. If not, hopefully some profit at least. Let's throw that trading stop loss in. And that sets us up. We haven't got any other signals and getting in there because it does seem like we could be quite a way away from one. Maybe the euro pound could come back. But yeah, got to go with what's in front of us. And the euro CAD is the way. See how we're doing tomorrow. Day number 48, not looking great for our Euro-Canadian dollar trade. Might have got in there too early, but the divergence is completely gone now. We'll be looking at it back here, which is 68 periods. Too far for what we're after. Still, just got to hope that it gets there now. $53 down for each of them, so over halfway to the stop loss. Worrying stuff, especially since we haven't got any signals backing it up. Maybe the euro pound comes through for us. Still looking at that Swissy yen potential back here. But as is, not looking great, and if this stop loss does get run through, it's starting to look very dire for the strategy. Need at least 2 winning trades to get back into it then. Let's try again tomorrow. Day number 49, and yes, that is what we like to see on the Euro-Canadian dollar trade, back down to our entry price almost. So moving pretty well to the good, might have been a day early, still plenty left to say on this trade, but at least we're not at that stop loss. Otherwise, the euro pound has sort of come through. There's a little bit of divergence compared to back here and back here as well, but not really enough. I still say we can go from back here for another 8 days. So if it does push up higher, wouldn't mind getting a trade in, but already selling off the euro against the CAD as we know. So we'll leave it there and check back in tomorrow. Day number 50, rounding off the end of week 10. Did push against us on the euro CAD this morning, but come back down. It has in the afternoon. You can see there trundling 30 minutes at a time. Happy days, I suppose, because it hasn't had a stop loss. No new signals for us tonight, unsurprisingly, but tempted by that euro Great British pound. Still got divergence 53 periods back. It's that pullback, though, at the end of the day that's making me question it. If it was closing up that high, I'd be much more in for it. But we do have that time on it, so we'll be a bit more patient with it. And hopefully next week our time will come. Let's take it to the journal. Journal in the house, another week, another not much to add. Got that new Euro CAD trade, but that's it. That's just ticking over in the background. 7 trades in 50 days, so still less than 1 trade a week and still plenty in the red. Pretty sparse for the green here. Let's keep at it for a little while longer. All right,